If you're not a fan of applying No Pong with your fingers, then I have a solution for you. Today I'm using a few different tools to apply my deodorant, and I'm going to rate them on a scale of 1 to 10 for you and then tell you my favourite at the very end. The very first tool that I'm going to use is a spoon, so let's give it a go and see what we think. Oh, that's actually really good. The next tool that we're going to try out is just a standard makeup sponge. That's actually really easy too. I'm using the end of a wooden spoon that I just broke off, but you could also use a paddle pop stick. So same thing again, pea-sized amount, and we will see how this goes. The next thing I'm going to use is a spatula. I'm just taking the end off it and I'm just going to use this part. That's actually so easy to use. I reckon this is my favorite by far. That's a 9 out of 10. The last thing I'm using is just an empty No Pong tin that I haven't recycled yet. I was not expecting to actually like using any of these, but honestly, the spatula head especially, I might even include that in my own routine because some mornings I can't be bothered like brushing my teeth, washing my hands, putting deodorant on, washing my hands. The verdict is the spatula head. It got a 9 out of 10. Hopefully you won't have to use your fingers ever again.